So it's a sad, sad day. I've had the green on this quadcopter for literally almost a year now. And when I first put it on, I was looking up different quadcopters and different standards online. And I didn't see anybody else with the green stripes. So I was pretty pumped that I had like the only green Phantom 3 standard on YouTube. Now there's like 3 or 4 people that have created profiles that have put the green stripes on. And I am no longer the only green one. Anyways, I put the green ones on, and then after like, I'd say 7 or 8 months of flying and crashing and things like that, one of them got a little lifted up underneath, and some of the dirt got under onto the sticky part. And then one by one, they all just kind of happened to do that. And so when my buddy got his standard, I got his green stickers from him because he said he was never going to turn his green. And I just took mine off and I slapped his on over without cleaning it up first. And really, whenever you change these stickers, you really need to clean this area, get all the existing stickiness off. Maybe I should fly it without. You know, have no stripes on the standard. It'd be fun, right? It looks like it's dirty after a while. Like when you first take it off, you can't really see the goo. You can feel it. Once you start actually working with it and trying to get it off, it gets all under your fingernails and all in the scratch pad. I got most all the goo. I'm limited on colors because when I first got it, there was a few colors that I knew I wouldn't put on, like the pink or the orange. It's not a fan of the orange. I don't want to do baby blue because a lot of people put the baby blue ones on theirs. A lot of people. And so, sticking with the same tradition of doing a color that not too many people have, I'm going to be sticking the purple ones on. Color of my alma mater, basically, without the gold. Purple and gold. There we go. Think I should change that now? I think so. I don't think the green really matches with the purple. Oh, maybe I'll leave it off. Just still a good looking bird. I don't know. Leave me a comment if you think that I should put the DJI sticker on top. I think I can do without. I think it looks pretty good with just the purple stripes. I don't really remember, but I don't think the original, it's been a while since I've watched my unboxing. I don't think the original comes with a DJI sticker on the transmitter. I think that's just something a few of us do. I think some people don't even put them on. I'm the only one in this town that has an Argitech system on mine. So that pretty much tells right there. So I'm not too worried about putting a sticker on it. I think we're going to keep it as simple as we can. No sticker on the transmitter. No sticker on the top of the drone. So I just stopped working for the day. Kids are gone, making sugar cookies for Christmas. And Jenny's gone with Mom, doing a bit of last minute shopping. And I'm bored. Flight montage? Flight montage. So that was Ireland Hall, the old Arkansas City, Kansas high school, the city that I live in. And it's kind of a special building to me and my wife because I went to school there in college for criminal justice. She went to school there for college for cosmetology. And while she was in school for cosmetology, I lived like a block away. She went into premature labor 13 weeks early with my daughter down in the basement of that building. And had to be put in an ambulance and taken from that building to Wesley, where they did an emergency C-section on my daughter. She was born super early. Had to stay in the ICU for a month. But it all started right there at Ireland Hall. And I think it's really cool that both of us went to college there. And my mom actually went to high school there right before they closed down and built the new high school. And it's just such an amazing building. And I think I caught it perfectly right at sunset. The sun was on it. It showed the masonry work perfectly. Having last minute presents. Look at all them presents. I don't even know what half of these presents are. Did you know that? Well, I know what they are, but I haven't seen them. Holy moly. 4 days. Christmas time, You guys have seen my Christmas tree like 1,000 times. But I think that is it. I think that's all the presents that are going to go under the tree. That's it. No mas. Just started booking more gigs with the band today. So be looking for that. Go to BryceandMichaelBand.com if you're in the Kansas area and you want to catch my live performance of red dirt rock and roll country music. It's a blast. We have a blast at our shows. No joke. If you live in the Kansas area, you should definitely come to one. And then go on Facebook and type into the search page at Bryce and Michael Band and like my page. Check out my music. It's pretty sick. You might like it. Even if you don't like country music. If you're one of those people that goes, I don't really like country music. But if you like rock and roll music, check out my country music. I swear to God. Our Netflix freeze framed that 70s show. Look at Hyde. It's creepy as shit.